Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bro, I'm late. Man, I'm late. I'm late. I'm trying to make it do what it do. Appreciate y'all for joining me. I'm your stock sniper. Trappin Tuesday is gonna be a short day. I am late. I am late, man. And I sure hate it. Ooh, that big upper shadow. That big upper shadow. That big upper shadow. 139.50. Big sell off. Another big upper shadow. Wow, look at that upper shadow, bro. God dang. The lower shadows, I mean. That is one of the longest lower shadows I have ever seen. God, look at this tail, bro. One of the longest tails I have ever seen. 139.32 back up to 140. Bro, that is one of the longest tails I have ever seen. I don't know why I didn't take that, bro. Damn. Wow. Look at that long tail on the 1 minute. Let's go. Man, I don't know why I didn't take that, bro. God dang it. On this last day before Christmas. I don't know why I didn't take that, bro. Dang. I was just so amazed by that long. To the long side. I took it. Oh, I didn't get filled. Bro. Whew. Damn, I didn't get filled. That's two I missed so far. Damn. That's two I missed so far. Dang, bro. One 40.80. Can we make a move? Can we make a move above 140.80? Let's go. Dang, bro, I missed that move. One 40.98. Dang. Come on, the bounce play. I missed both moves. We got Trappin Tuesday going on. Thank y'all for joining me. Hit the like button. We got Trappin Tuesday going on. I am your host, the Stock Sniper. Final day of trading. Final day of trading. Can we get a good run before Christmas? Can we get a good run before Christmas? 140.98. We got to get above that. Lower shadow. Man, this big lower shadow right here, I missed it, bro. This big lower shadow right here, one of the biggest lower shadows I have ever seen. We got another shadow. Bro, this shadow. It looks like we're starting to build a bull flag. I'm seeing the bull flag. $140.98. We got to get back above that. $140.98. Can we get there? Boom, there we go. Keep on pushing. We need red. Good one, good one. Keep pushing. Woo! Ah, 7%, man. I caught that bull flag jump. Bro, man, I missed two good ones. I missed this one. Dang, I missed two good plays. Bro, I missed two good plays on that. On this, man. Bro, I ain't tripping, man. I ain't tripping. I got 7% out of that. I should have held on because I know it's the day before Christmas. I should have held on, man. Great Christmas Eve earn, though. Great one. 7%. God dog it, bro. I missed this big one right here. I was so amazed by this big, long tail on this lower shadow on the reversal. Bro, shout out to NVIDIA. Boy, I missed it. I was so amazed. I seen that long tail. I was like, God, dog. I was so amazed by that long lower shadow that I didn't even pull the trigger. 141.39. We still on the move. We still on the move on up. Next resistance, 141.68. Let's go! 141.68. Yeah, I'm pumped this morning. 8:30 a.m. First 9 minutes of the market open on Christmas Eve. Let's get it in. Let's get it in, man. Yeah, come on. Let's look at the spot. What the spot doing? Oh, everything's moving today. Look at Tesla making a move. Let's go. Should I move over here to trade Tesla? Should I move over here and trade Tesla? Should I move over here and trade Tesla, or should I call it a day? Oh, what a move on Microsoft. Everything's bumping. Everything's jumping. Not Facebook is trying to recover from the downside. Amazon, my baby. Amazon on the move. AMD. Man, dumping. I'm trying to get recovered. Bitcoin on the move up from the 93,000. If you got in around 92,000 on Bounce play, congratulations. Robin Hood is down. Walmart is making a move. Dollar General still holding the same old, same old. Let's look at Apple. We love our Apple phones. Apple on the move. Everything's moving this morning. The stock market is man, it's booming this morning, man. Nvidia is back on the move. Trying to get back up to 141.68. Resistance line. Can we get there? I think we will. I think we're going to get there. Everything, all the indicators are looking up. We come off this bull flag that I called earlier. That I caught the bull flag for the 7%. I should have stayed in. I should have stayed skin randy, but I didn't. I took my profits quickly. Over here we preach, take your profits. When you green, you take it. Let's make a move, though. Let's make a move. 141.57. Can we break resistance for the next move on up? Let's see. Can we break resistance for the next move on up? Let's see. 151.58. It's Trappin Tuesday, y'all. Live from the trap. I am your host, the Stock Sniper. Welcome to my world. Appreciate everybody for joining me. Appreciate you for hitting the like button. Appreciate you. We hit resistance. We hit resistance, y'all. One trade so far, 7%. We on the move. We take profits when we got them. Let's make a move. 141.62 is the high today. I'm finna draw this uptrend line. We 15 minutes in. This is not gonna be a long live. It's not. Market closed at 12 o'clock today. It needs to stay green. Okay, let's make a move. 15 minutes in. There's a high uptrend line, which we finna break. We're breaking it right now. Boom, it's broke. Bro, I'm still thinking about this. I missed it. I was so amazed how long this lower shadow was that I didn't even pull the trigger. I was so amazed. That lower shadow was so beautiful to me. I didn't even take it. I just was so amazed by this lower shadow. But we did get in on that bull flag pattern for 7%, which is normal for my type of trading. All right, here we are by the EMAs, the 13, the 9, the 20, the VY. We on the bounce play. We on the bounce play. Let's see what's gonna happen. I've been live 15 minutes. It's been exciting so far this morning. Let's see what's gonna happen. Hit that like button as you come in. We need to get notifications out. Merry Christmas to everybody. But y'all will see me again because I will be live later today and tomorrow, but not on the charts. Today is a early day. Stock market closed at noon. Stock market is closed tomorrow. So we won't be back on the charts until Thursday. Until Thursday morning. Okay, let me move over to the spot. We're moving over to the spot right now. Tesla is on the move. Matter of fact, Tesla's on the move. I'm about to change right now. See if we can get something out of Tesla. Y'all know I roll with Elon Musk. If you've been rocking with me, you know I roll with Elon Musk. We done made good money with Elon Musk over here. Okay, let's see. 449, 449.42 on Tesla. Tesla is up 4% on the day. Tesla's up 4% on the day. We're getting a little pullback right now. Let's see what's going to happen. Ooh, what a dump. Before I can even get in everything situated, we got a dump already. Could that be a dump or the bounce play? Let's see. These are 1 minute candles. We're waiting on the next candle to form. Looks like we're bouncing off the 9 EMA. The next candle is going to really set the tone. The next candle is going to set the tone. But it looks like we're bouncing off that 9 EMA. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see if we're going to keep going. Perfect bounce off the 9 EMA. Perfect bounce off that 9 EMA. I'm watching Tesla real closely off this bounce. I'm watching real closely. This candle right here. This one right here that's moving. We're back. Okay, here we go with the next candle. Let's see if we're going to break this 9 EMA or it's going to be another bounce off of it. We got an upper shadow, upper shadow, upper shadow. We're still bouncing off that 9. Upper shadow, upper shadow, upper shadow, upper shadow. The reason why I won't take the position to the upside because of these upper shadows. That's the indication that we're going down. But we're fighting with the 9. That's the reason why I won't go for a short. Okay. Just continue to watch. I don't like these upper shadows for the upside. And then I don't like that we are fighting with the 9 on the bottom for the short side. So I'm just holding right now. I'm just watching. No positions for me. Specifically because of these upper shadows right here for the upside. And then for the downside, we're still fighting the 9. Then we have to fight the 13 and the 20. You know, we have to go through the water again, as I call it. So we're going to wait for the 449.98 break. Okay, I got to move it now because we got support right here, resistance right here. It's just going to be a lot of up, down, up, down. Okay, now we're on the pullback on NVIDIA. We want to pull back on NVIDIA. The candles are now above. No, the EMAs are now above the candle, the candles. So it looks like we're turning around on NVIDIA to the short side. Might as well erase that. That's irrelevant at this time. That's irrelevant. That's irrelevant at this time. I know today ends at noon. I need the perfect setup to end the day. I'm looking for one more trade, a perfect trade to end the day. But I'm not gonna force it. It gotta be something. It gotta be an absolute banger. So now we're back above the EMAs. So I need to erase that. Let me give it a little bit more time. No, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna erase it once we break it. Okay, there we go. Wait, I need to get that out of the way. Move that. I need to make the support, which is right there. Change that to green. That's the support line. We're starting to form a little channel right now. So let's see what's gonna happen. We got resistors right here. We got support down here, 140.90, 141.80. That's like $1 from the support and the resistance. We in this dollar channel. We in this dollar channel. So let's sit back and see. I'm looking for the perfect trade. I got 8 minutes left. It's 8:52. In 8 minutes, I will have been live for 30 minutes. So if I'm gonna make another trade, it has to be soon because people are going to leave. This is kind of like trading. Yesterday was trading like a Friday. Today is trading like a power hour, right? It's like trading at the end of the day on a normal day. So we got to treat it as such. And I don't like trading at the end of the day unless, something spicy come across the table. But but the market closes at 12 today for Christmas Eve. And tomorrow the market is closed completely. So one trade so far, 7%, which is my average, which is my average. I missed the main trade, but I got in on the bull flag and rolled it up to 7% and got out. The main play was this big lower shadow right here for the reversal that I absolutely missed because I was excited about how big the tail was. Yeah, I was tripping. We are inside in the middle of the channel. What is the channel, stock sniper? Right here at the resistance line, which is support, which is the floor, which what we bouncing off of, and the resistance line is the top that we were getting rejected from. It's like a floor and a ceiling, and we are in the middle. We are in the middle. We got the VWAP at 140.78. That would be, if we go below this VWAP, that would be when I would take my next trade to the downside on the short. That'll be my next trade, but we already losing volume, and it's looking like it's gonna be sideways for the rest of the day until noon. That's what it's looking like. It's looking like we're gonna stay in between support and resistance until 12 o'clock. That's what I'm thinking. Volume is steadily. People are leaving. Let me clarify that as in about. Well, I'm gonna be gone by then because I'm leaving at 10 o'clock. So just how I'm thinking, that's how everybody else is thinking too. So it's really no need to trade anymore. You know, it's no need. So I'm shedding things down. We're just watching. Probably gonna go look at Tesla a little bit, but if we do have a move, it's gonna probably be one more move left. But I'm thinking we're gonna go sideways like this until till noon. People are gonna leave. Let me see. SPY. Tesla's even starting to cool off. Yeah, a lot of these companies are starting to just move well, Meta, or a W pattern on Meta. Yep, there go the W pattern on Meta. A semi W pattern. It would be a W pattern if this was down here, but I could still consider it a semi W pattern. See the double bottom, this was supposed to be in right here to make it the W pattern on Facebook. But yeah, it's still sort of let me look at the Facebook contracts because this looks like this is a good trade. If you know I love trading off the W pattern. I haven't traded Facebook in a very long time. And I'm gonna keep it like that because those contracts on Meta, the spreads are not to my appeal. So I gotta let that go. So let's go down here to Amazon. Buy Facebook, AMD, Bitcoin is moving. I ain't gonna look at Apple. Well, yeah, I am. I'm gonna look at Apple, Google. Okay, let's go back up to the top. Go back to NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA is back on the move. I was thinking that we would have they bounced off that support. Perfect bounce off the support. Only thing is, if I would have got in here, I would have had to hold it through all this up, down, up, down, up, down. And I'm not willing to do that. I like to get in and out. Okay. Can we break this resistance? That's what I'm looking for now. The break of the resistance. Can we break this resistance to make this U-shaped pattern and move on up? Can clearly see a U-shape. But I'm thinking we're going to stay inside of this dollar channel. That's what I'm thinking. Bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it took 9 minutes for this bounce off support to form. It took 9 minutes. To me, that's too long. For me, that's too long. So that means I would have to stay in that play unless I get out right here. But we had a lot of up, down, up, down. It's just too risky. Shout out to the people who did take this bounce off of this support line, though. We've been live exactly 30 minutes on Christmas Eve. We've been live 30 minutes. I want to see if we're going to break this 141.80. That's what I want to see. That's why I got the contracts ready to rock and roll. That's what I'm going to see. I'm going to wait a few more minutes to see if we can get this 141.80 break for a new high day and the next move on up. Let's see. And we are right there. We are right there. Got to be a clear break. Right there at the resistance. What a whoa. Let's see what's going to happen with the next candle. Would it straight up rejected? Let's see what's going to happen with the next candle. 141.80. Strong support. No, resistance. I'm tripping. I don't know why I keep saying support. Support is down here. Resistance is up here. Strong resistance. I got to get my hand way away from the button. Let's see. Is it going to break it clearly? Or are we going to get rejected again? Bro, another. Let's try it again. Very carefully. Look, 141.80. Look at it very carefully. We've already got rejection, 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 rejection. 4 rejections of the 141.80 already. And we still trying. We're still trying to get back up there. I think we're going to break it soon. I think we're going to break it. 141.80. It wants to break it. It wants to break that 141.80. I'm not in. I want to see the clear break of 141.80, and then I want to see what happens after that. 141.80. That go to break. 141.81. We know that the stock market don't like odd numbers. The stock market don't like odd numbers. We broke it. 141.90. Now it's an even number. That's more of what the stock market likes. Stock sniper, did you take that 141.80 break? No, I did not. I did. Oh, there go that tail. There go the long tail. If it goes back up under it, I'm gonna end the live. Let's see, 141.90. We need to break that. Dang. $141.90 is the high today. nvda pushing for 142. And just think about it. Let me go back. Where I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. Then I'm gonna go back when Jerome Powell crashed the market the other day. Bounce off the 9 EMA. Those EMAs be holding up as good support and resistance, bro. Well, there we go. Breakdown. Back inside of the channel. Can we go below the 20? Well, let me go and do what I was going to do. Let me go back on the 1 hour. December 13th. Right here. $136. Jerome Powell. What time is this? Yes, right here. When we got the bad news, today is Tuesday, Monday, Friday. Yeah, right here. Last week, that's when Jerome Powell told us to expect more inflation in 2025 and 2026. And the market crashed. And now we're on a triple bounce. Wow, bro. We're on the triple bounce. Off the 127. $127 triple bounce. This is what I was talking about last night. If you was on there last night, this is the prime example right here, bro. Bad news. Buy in on the bad news at 128. We have already recovered to 141.90 as I speak right now. 127. Might as well say 129, 127.23. Two great dip opportunities. Of course, this was in pre-market, but at the end of the day, when that big dump that day about the market, great buying opportunity right here. Even right here, even 130. That's what happens. Was bad news, people buy. Look. Bad news, people buy. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Like I said last night, 2 or 3 days, it had already recovered. 1, 2, 3, 4, still recovering. And guess what? We'll be back Thursday. We got 2025 coming up. Bro, the beginning of 2025, people are going to be excited about the new year. People are going to buy. The overall SPY, let's look at that. Jerome Powell. This is the overall stock market, the S&P 500. It still has a way to go to get back to where it was. 604, dumped all the way down. Buying opportunity, 584. And guess what? Even lower, 580. Recovering. to get back to the 604 area, which I pretty much think that's going to happen next week. Or possibly, yeah, next week. Buying opportunity right here. Bad news. Inflation going to be higher than expected in 2025 and 2026. Jerome Powell lowers the hammer. Expect more inflation. Expect everything to go up. Guess what? Buying opportunity. For what? To move on up. Boy, I hope y'all paying attention, bro. For the move on up. For the move on up. Today is, look. Big time red. Tesla, 4%. Everything's moving back on up. It's a new day. Some people like, bro, I missed that dump. And wait for another one. Long term. Let's get back over here. See, that's the goal of this channel, is to get y'all and just to look at it and just look at it and just think about what I'm putting down right here. That's all it takes. I want the light bulb to go off. I want somebody to look at this and feel like they missed something, because you absolutely did. Right here. I'm finna show something else that I was talking about last night. And then I gotta go after that. I gotta keep saying this and let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do this and then I gotta go. What I was talking about last night. If you was on the live last night, make 2025 your best year. If you didn't see that video, go back and watch it. 2020. This is when the pandemic hit, right? It don't even look like it was that much of a drop anymore. But it was a significant drop at that period of time. Right here. Everybody remember this day. It's March when they shut the country down. Look how much the S&P 500 cost in 2020. It was $315. The COVID dropped it all the way down to 200. I made that video in 2021, I think. The video I was talking about last night. When everybody was scared. Gas prices were $6 a gallon down here. Everybody was scared how much things cost. Guess what? We bought. We bought down here at these lows. And I told a few people, man, take your stimulus check. You need to be investing. You need to be investing and holding it long term. Guess what? They listened. And guess what they did? They made the decision to cash out up here. Look at that. From 200, 3x. That's 300%, bro. The overall stock market, the S&P 500, was stock sniper. What does that mean? That's all the companies we already know, like, and trust. That's Microsoft. That's Meta. That's Amazon. That's Walmart. That's Dollar General. That's Apple. That's Google, who we own right now. That's nvda, which I trade every single day. It's all basically a portfolio. 500 of America's best companies in the S&P 500. That's why I call it is the overall stock market. All these great companies that we already know, like, and trust are already inside of this ETF called the S&P 500. Yes. So I gotta keep telling, I gotta keep spreading the word. That's my goal, to get you to just, I need a light bulb to go off. Just think, if you'd have been dollar cost averaging into the S&P 500 as an example, way down here. Now I'm not even talking about 2009 to 2010, which the S&P 500 was $50. I'm talking about 4 years ago. 4 years. Finna be 5 years. But guess what? It's not too late. 2025, make 2025 and beyond your best year. Make it your best year. Earn, spend less, and do what? Invest long term. Long term. I ain't talking about day trading. I'm talking about long term investing. Stockpiling some of these companies that we know, like, and trust. Stockpiling them. Buy 1 share a week, 4 shares a month, year after year after year, and then look at it in 5 years. Look what the potential is, bro. 200, 700, 200, 700, 200, 300%. Some people over 4 or 5 years get 400 a month, 300 a month, 3,000 a year. I'm doing numbers now. 3,000 a year multiplied by 5, multiplied by 300% as an example. But only not the, well, it's good to take some off the top, but it's even better to keep it going, especially if you're young. So I can't say it enough, man. I think I'm gonna start saying that before I end every single live, as we drop back down on NVIDIA to the lower support, and we are up under the VWAP. We're up under that VWAP now. Let's see. We're up under the VWAP. The EMAs are pointing down. We're at support. Can we break the support line to do what, Stock Sniper? For the run down. Let's see what's gonna happen. Dang, what a bounce off of it though. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be hard work for the candles to get back through these EMAs to make it back up here. I'm not gonna stay here that long for that. I've been live. It's 9:20. I've been live almost an hour. I'm about to go before I get caught up in something crazy. So yeah, so I appreciate y'all for joining me. I'm about to go. I appreciate y'all for joining me, man. Hope y'all have a great Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas for tomorrow. I will be live these next 2 days, but I'm gonna try to do my best not to be so serious and talking about investing and and building. And a lot of people don't want to hear that all the time. So today and tomorrow, when I go live, I'm gonna be more of a little bit more entertaining instead of serious all the time. So I appreciate y'all for joining me. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me as we come close to this. Can we break that? Can we break support to the downside? Can we break it on the short side? I'm gonna see if we're gonna collapse. If we go back above the VWAP, I'm gonna end the live. But I want to watch and see if we're gonna collapse up under this support line to the downside. Yep, that's what happened. I just called out a play. It's easy. Once you know what you're doing, you can pull money out of thin air. I just called it out. It broke that support, and the VWAP is up under the VWAP. It's up under the EMAs, and yes, we're going down even further. So yeah, there you go. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, y'all just see that? Those EMAs, Joe. See what's gonna happen. Well, that's my time. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. One trade, 7%. 704 Wall Street is my block. 704 Wall Street is my block. As I steady watch this candle, 704 Wall Street is my block. Earn, spend less, and invest. I hope y'all catching on to what's going on, because my job is to cut the light bulb on. That's all I want to do. Cut the light bulb on. I want y'all to, I want everybody to basically get into this investing. Earn, spend less, and invest, and build something for you and your family. It's a beautiful thing. So with that being said, y'all have a great holiday. Have a great Christmas. Have a great Christmas Eve. Be careful out there. You know what I'm saying? Pay attention. Be vigilant to see what's going on. Make sure you're praying, and make sure you're thanking God for blessing you with another day. With that being said, this is the Stock Sniper. I love and I appreciate y'all. Let's go. I'm out. Let's go!